Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing soft glam, nothing extra, nothing big. It's just going to be eyebrows, eyeshadow, and I'm going to show you guys my outfit, so stay tuned to the end. But without further ado, let's get to the video. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe on your way out, and I hope that you guys enjoy this video. Oh. Oh baby. Okay guys, so first we're gonna start off with moisturizing our face. I don't know if I'm zoomed up enough, but oh yeah, I didn't even show you guys what I'm using. So today I'm using the Neutrogena Bright Boost Illuminating Serum, which is like one of my favorites just because it's lightweight and it literally does brighten you up. I do this before I prep because I kind of don't wear foundation like that. So today we're gonna just be like spotting with powder foundation, but we're going to be using Rihanna Fenty's powder foundation today. I did a review on that, guys, if you want to watch that. I'll leave a link down below, but we're just going to be using some of that. So we're finally in 2021, y'all. Like, fat face and all, it's been like a long time coming. I've been like waiting for 2021. Not saying it's just about to be like a whole, you know, big crazy new wonderful year, but hopefully it's better. And honestly, I feel better already going into 2021. So I don't know about you. So I'm about to do my eyebrows next. Don't judge me because I'm a little ghetto. Shh. Yeah, I'm like, I don't even have a mirror. Oh my god, this is so frustrating. Yo, this is
bitch, no.
You know what? It's already looking cute. It's okay if it look a little crazy. Oh my, is it that dark? Oh my gosh. I don't have time for these eyebrows, y'all. Like, it's already messing up and I'm already getting irritated. Okay, so now that we're all done with these big ass bird eyebrows, we're gonna go to the next thing, which is eyeliner, which is my favorite part. I do not prime at all. I actually put a little bit of eyeshadow over it a little bit just to add like a little color. This is what I'll be using on my face today. I'll be using this shade. Oh, excuse my fingers, y'all. I'll be using the brown shade right there. But yeah, so I do have some goals this year because last year it was just like crazy for people last year financially, like just being around like friends and everything. Like it was just too much. Like, and the reason why I put this on my eye, honestly, is just because I just kind of want to like add a little bit color. Who cares if it's uneven because I'm a little tipsy? So we just gonna have to go with the flow. Next is when I'm gonna apply my eyeliner. I don't know, y'all. It's coming off. I don't know what it is. But so anyways, back to what I was talking about. What I have to do my eyeliner right now. Shake it up real quick. This was the NYX eyeliner that we're about to use. Let me tell y'all about this story that happened to me like a few months ago with this girl that I encountered at freaking the Dollar Tree. It was legit creepy. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. So basically, moral of it, I'm not gonna say the moral of it, but basically, I was at the register, right? Hold on, y'all. And for some reason, I don't know how, but me and my freaking boyfriend was freaking buying stuff at the Dollar Tree. This girl knew exactly who I was. I did not use my card. I used cash because I know some places you freaking put your card in and they know who your name is. That happened to us actually one time. So we get up to the register and it's this girl with a mask on. She's a black girl. Oh my gosh. So I buy my stuff. I'm all swiping stuff, doing all that. And she goes, "Mycah, do I know you?" No. She didn't say it. She said, "Mycah, I know you, Mycah. How you doing?" And I'm just like, first of all, I have a mask on, so how do you know me? Second of all, why would you be a creep and just say Mycah? Like, I could have been a whole different person, so you know. It's weird. I don't care what nobody say. It's like she knew I was gonna be there. She knew, like, I don't know that girl. And then she said, I don't know what else she said. The fact that she knew my name and I had a mask on. My boyfriend did not say my name. We literally went in there to get paper plates and went to the register, and I was like on a mission. So I don't know how she freaking knew my name. Yeah, we're gonna be adding some gold liner around it, which was super cute. Everybody else hate doing the other eye. It's like I do this eye perfectly, but the minute I try to do this eye, it want to act up. I think it looks pretty even, so we're gonna leave it at that. So I'm gonna take this Profusion sparkly liner and basically just line around my eyeliner, and I'm gonna zoom up for you guys so you guys can see that. If it will zoom. Yeah, and that's how it looks. I think it looks pretty cute. Next, we're gonna use our bottom liner. I love a smoky black look, like with the black liner and the top liner. I don't know why, it just gives me like sexy vibes. Little Chinese. It just enhances my freaking eye shape. So I'm going to use this Maybelline. I've been using this for years, honestly. I'm gonna use this Maybelline New York Lasting Drama gel eyeliner right here. Hopefully you guys can see that without my ugly fingers in it. Girl, stop. Just stop, because I know. Okay, next we're about to put on some eyelashes. I'm gonna go grab my eyelashes. Actually, let me call my boyfriend because I'm about to get up from this chair. Do you see my eyelashes sticking on the wall anywhere in there?
Nope.
Oh, thank you. Okay, let's get into this face, y'all. Honestly, I don't feel like powder foundation is all that, like blending stuff in when I do wear foundation. Girl, is this my color? Yeah, it's my color, kind of. So I'm only gonna use like just some on my dark spots right here, because girl, I have like bad acne under my neck and it's really annoying. But all 2021, we about to be working on some gains. I don't know what this red dot is on my screen. It's like really irritating, but it's okay. I don't know how y'all could wear foundation every day. I'm not knocking it, but I just be touching my face. I be itching my face, and it's just kind of like, girl, like y'all be looking so bad with it, like so good, but can't do it, can't do it, can't do it. Next, we're gonna move on to blush, which is my favorite part. I have like 2 blushes that I use, but it just depends on what I want. But yeah, we're just gonna I haven't been nowhere in forever, honestly. I'm about to go to this little cute lunch date. In today's video, I'll be using the Slade Cosmetics lashes in the style Emerald. If you guys have lash lines, let me know down in the comments so I can review your lash line. That would be super cute. Is it on? I did that, y'all, because I really be taking forever to put on eyelashes because they just don't be working. Like, how is my battery dying? Next, and last but not least, we're just gonna put on a cute lip liner, and that's it. Y'all, this is a NYX Butter Gloss. A little red to it. My hair a while ago, and obviously the crimps is still here, so I'm gonna just comb this out. I'm gonna just comb this out like this. Honestly, like, this hair is so bomb. I will do another review on this hair. I'm saying another like I actually filmed it, but I crimped it and I'm just gonna comb her out. One more for the team. A little baby hair down. I kind of don't care which way it goes. We getting the titties out. But this is today's finals look. It's pretty simple, pretty cute, a little glam, not too much, and it's perfect for a dinner night or like a night out with the friends. So yeah, that's pretty much it. All right guys, here's my outfit for tonight. I just have on a cute little black skirt, some thigh-high boots, this little black mesh top, paired this little brown jacket with it just to look cute, and we are going to be outside, so it's going to be a little cold. So yeah, this is the outfit for tonight. Thank you guys for watching my channel. If you're new to my channel, again, don't forget to subscribe on your way out, baby. Don't forget. And I will see you guys in my next video.